What is up and good morning, everyone. It is Friday at the shop. We have cleaned the lot. I probably should have filmed earlier. I basically mowed this whole lot today. Got up feeling good. I got a Sharpie in my ear, probably look like a carpenter right now because we're gonna do some woodwork here in a minute and I'll show you why. But this morning when I got here, I was feeling really motivated. I expanded the parking lot, finally finished all this. I gotta put the stakes in. I mowed the whole lot, and the reason for that is my buddy Patton, who's a customer of ours, is coming, and we're gonna get this whole lot graveled, like crushed stone, the road grinds, like the pavement stuff. So we're gonna get this whole lot done tomorrow. So basically later in this video is gonna be the lot getting done. But I did rip my bumper off this morning, so any of you bumper sponsors out there, yeah, I gotta fix that. But anyways, for the time being, the lot's clean. The van's going home tomorrow because we're just not going to fix that thing because it's 6.5. We have a lot of work. Whistling Diesel's Cummins is back there, and but right now what I am doing is I'm going to hang this sign. This is our outside sign, thanks to my buddy Aaron over in Louisiana. Got some wood, a Sharpie, and a tape measure, and a Sawzall. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. I don't have high hopes, but we'll do our best. So let's get to it. Bam. Look at this parking lot. So, as you guys can tell by the video and everything, we have the parking lot done. Now, granted, let me mind you, right, real quick, this is not my building. I rent this shop. I did have to pay for a portion of this because I wanted to get it done. So this is somewhat of, I wouldn't say we got it fully paid, but this is road milling. So road millings will actually re-harden after some time. So put a little oil on them to reactivate the chemicals and everything, and this stuff shouldn't harden right back up. One of my customers, like I said, came down and did this yesterday, as you guys saw, and I love it. So before The parking lot ended right about here. Well, actually probably like over here to like there. It was just this area. There's a little sign printing place, that's it. Now we work on diesel trucks, so we could fit like 3 trucks in here and that was it. So we got permission to expand the lot, and then it was all grass over there where we expanded it to. So it kind of was like, it was okay to drive on, but it like was all, it rains a lot here, so it was all soft and trucks were sinking in. It was hard to move around. Everything was nasty. There's a ton of fire ants that are eating us. Just basically a bunch of nasty stuff. So I get right now it looks kind of like dirt. It's obviously pretty hard. You can like barely see my tire print in it. Like these tires, can't even see. Dalton's Cummins, can barely see any marks from. So it is super hard. I obviously just pulled in. But I did some packing this morning too, which I'll show you over here. Like I just wanted to get like the edges and stuff, so where the roller couldn't. So I came over here, drove a little bit, just put my tire right along this edge, kind of packed it down. I didn't want this to wash out in the rain. Went along these 2 right here, obviously. And like I said, this was kind of somewhat of a budget for the millings, basically. So it isn't like premium road grinds, but it's good enough for what we need. It's a better lot, we can drive on it, it's fine. And it'll get harder, so we pretty much just have to wait for this to settle over the next couple days. It's been crappy and rainy out, so really, if we haven't had a lot of heat, we need a good hot sunny day to like really kind of help this, and then hopefully everything will be solid. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think it looks so good. We have a parking lot to drive on. Obviously we can fit things closer now because we're not like sliding around in the mud trying to find everything or like adjust everything. This truck, by the way, if you guys want to watch this, it'll be coming up in a few videos here. We have a bunch of goodies already in the shop for it and a bunch more on the way. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. But you can see it's a little bit easier to park things closer. We can park things closer to the building now. So before, when we would fit like 8 trucks in here, we have 5 in like a fraction of the lot. So there's 4 here, my truck, and we still could easily fit probably 4 more and probably like 2 more over here, at least 3 more wide, maybe even 4 in 2 rows. So not that we need to get that packed because there's only 2 of us, so there's only so much that, you know, we can work on at once. But you know, it kind of helps having the room to have people pull in. Our lot's not looking packed. Maybe now that this is the case, since we kind of are all settled over here finally, I might move the square body over and back my trailer up more. And so I don't know, there's a lot of options. I would want to put the square body in the back corner pretty much. Kind of leave this spot open for the trailer, make it so I can put the trailer all the way back and kind of have it a little bit more accessible or whatever. Just kind of clean it up so it's not so packed over here. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Not anything too crazy. I was really excited about getting this parking lot finished, so yeah, I am stoked. And we will see you in the next video. We're going to be pulling the cab off of the free truck to start moving the engine and everything over. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're excited to see the shop expand some more, yeah, just stay tuned. And I'm about to lose a screw back here that's going to go through my tire probably. So yeah, that'll do, guys. I'll see you later. I'm out.